Sushi Rice. Origin, Japan. Benefits, sticky texture ideal for sushi, good energy source. Nutrients, carbs, small protein, B vitamins. Wild rice. Origin, North America, USA and Canada. Benefits, high protein and fiber, supports digestion. Nutrients, protein, fiber, magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins. Calrose Rice. Origin, USA, California. Benefits, medium grain, versatile, and easy to digest. Nutrients, carbs, protein, small amounts of fiber, and B vitamins. Long grain rice. Origin, global. Benefits, fluffy texture, ideal for pilaf or fried rice. Nutrients, carbs, protein, B vitamins. Medium grain rice. Origin, global. Benefits, slightly sticky, versatile for many dishes. Nutrients, carbs, protein, B vitamins, small fiber. Short grain rice.
From Japan,
Origin,
Korea is
Japan
sticky
and
perfect
Korea.
for sushi and puddings.
Benefits, sticky, good for sushi and puddings.
Korea is sticky and
Nutrients,
ideal for sushi and
carbs,
puddings.
small protein, B
Short
vitamins.
grain rice